How y'all doing? Welcome to 1K YellowDiamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is. Okay, y'all saw the title. Today I am making homemade almond banana muffins. That's simple. I have a sweet tooth. I want something sweet, and I wanted something pastry. So I thought we have some almonds. Yes. We have some bananas. What is? Nice ripe bananas. You want to make sure your bananas looking like this, maybe even worse. Nice bananas. And I have flour, sugar, and all that good stuff. And today we're going to make almond banana muffins. So let's get with it. Okay, first we're going to start off with 3 ripe bananas. Yes, we're going to peel them. That's 1, 2, and 3. And we're gonna mash them. That's why you want them nice and soft and ripe bananas. If you're making any type of dish using bananas, you want them to be pretty much ripe. So you're gonna get that mash. And that's what you want. You need 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and we're going to mix that. Woo, baby, that smells good already. Next, we're going to add 1/3 cup of oil. Every bit. Mix that well, blend it. Ooh, yes. So we're gonna set this to the side. Next, we need to make the flour batter, right? Now we need 2 cups of flour. Okay, next we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of nutmeg, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, so we got the chopped almonds here. We're gonna add it to the flour. Now let's add the banana, sugar, vanilla extract. Remember this mixture? Yeah, let's add that. Sure, we make a little center in the middle and just add it all to the center. And we're just gonna incorporate the flour mixture with the banana mixture until it's all incorporated. We're gonna take a 1/3 cup . Sprinkling almonds on top. Now we're going to put this in the oven. The oven is preheated at 350 and it's going to bake for 30 minutes, or you can check it to see if it's done in 30 minutes. Ooh, look, y'all. Our almond banana muffins are done. Woo. Let's plate them and drizzle it with some vanilla homemade powdered sugar. Okay? Let's see if we can get them out. Come on. Ooh, they still hot, y'all. Wait a minute. Let me get my butter knife. Woo! Yes! Oh, they smell so good. You smell the almond. Okay. Come through, almonds. Come through. Okay. Now let's drizzle. Just a little vanilla homemade icing out of my vanilla coffee creamer and powdered sugar. If you want the recipe, let me know. Now grab you one. Go ahead and grab you one. Let's try it. Let's try it. Baby, they all gonna fall. That's all right. Ooh, ooh. Mmm. 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 You taste the banana. You taste the almond. Mmm. 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 So good. And it's still warm. Y'all know I'm gonna have me a cup of coffee with this. And James will be having some milk. Mmm. Mmm.